You know, there are some things in a luxury car that just don't age well, or perhaps weren't quite perfect to begin with. And for many Mercedes-Benz W221 and C216 owners, a common pain point has always been the center console cup holder situation. It's one of those small details that can really impact your daily driving experience. This tiny component claims to solve that very problem, offering a direct replacement that promises to bring back convenience and functionality. We're talking about the Jendfert Car Center console cup holder, specifically designed for models like the S-Class S400, S450, CL500, and CL600 from 2005 to 2009. Let's be honest, nobody wants their morning coffee spilling all over their beautiful Mercedes interior. This cup holder, with its reference number A2216801991, steps in as a direct swap for the original. First impressions on the quality front. It's crafted from plastic, which is exactly what you'd expect for this type of component. The brand claims premium quality, and while it's not going to feel like brushed aluminum, it certainly feels robust enough to handle daily use. It's designed for durability and longevity, which is key for a part that sees constant interaction. You want something that won't crack or break after a few months of holding your travel mug. One of its standout features is its versatile functionality. It's built to securely hold various drink sizes, from your standard coffee cup to a larger water bottle. This is crucial because not all drinks are created equal, and a good cup holder adapts. Whether you're carrying a hot latte or a cold soda, it aims to keep it stable, enhancing your driving experience without the constant worry of spills. Installation is another big win here. The product description highlights a straightforward process, allowing for quick setup. As a direct replacement part, it should slot right into the existing console space without any fuss or modification. This means less time fiddling around, and more time enjoying your drive with a securely held beverage. Now, let's talk about the space-saving design. This isn't just a static holder, it's a folding cup holder with a stretch fold capability. This means it can expand when you need it and collapse when you don't, keeping your console tidy and maximizing interior space. It's a smart design choice for any car, especially one where every inch of console real estate counts. While the product description mentions universal fit, it's clear from the specific Mercedes model compatibility and the OEM reference number that this is a purpose-built replacement. It's designed to integrate seamlessly into the W221 S-Class and W216 CL class, matching the original aesthetic and function. The black plastic material ensures it blends right in with most Mercedes interiors. In daily use, this Jendfert cup holder feels like it belongs. It secures drinks effectively, and the folding mechanism operates smoothly. It's not a revolutionary gadget, but it's an essential one, especially if your original cup holder is broken, missing, or just wasn't up to the task. For Mercedes owners looking to restore or improve their console's drink-holding capabilities, this component offers a practical and well-fitting solution. It's a small upgrade that makes a surprisingly big difference in everyday convenience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.